Experience power and reliability with this long-lasting Genie Chain Drive garage door opener. The powerful DC motor operates the door smoothly with soft starts and stops. You can count on getting years of service from this low-maintenance, easy-to-install chain drive garage opener. This garage door opener is equipped with Genie's INTELLICODE technology that prevents unauthorized persons from opening your garage door. The included safe T-beam garage door safety sensors ensures your family's safety with an infrared beam of light across the door opening. The ChainDrive 550 Chain Drive garage door opener is compatible with 7-foot-high garage doors, and for doors 8-foot high, an extension kit is required, sold separately. Includes many accessories for safety and convenience. 2 pre-programmed 3-button garage door opener remotes allow you to open the garage door from your car. The wireless keyless keypad gives you the ability to open the garage door with a personal PIN number. The multi-function wall console operates as a control panel, providing you with a light control button and a vacation lock. The durable ChainDrive 550 garage door opener is also made with a heavy-duty chain for many years of reliable operation. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Reliable, durable operation. The Genie Chain Drive 550 garage door opener has a heavy-duty chain drive system that allows for long-lasting durable operation. Number 2. Easy to install. The ChainDrive 550 garage door opener is equipped with a strong 5-piece rail system that easily snaps together with no added hardware required. The Chain 550 opener also has a factory pre-assembled chain. No assembly with cables is needed, making this chain drive opener even easier to install. Number 3. 1/2 HP DC motor. The Genie Chain Drive 550 garage door opener has a maintenance-free precision machined motor and gearbox that is backed by a 10-year limited warranty on this Genie garage door opener. Number 4. HOMELINK and Car 2U compatible. Out of the box, this Genie garage door opener works with popular built-in car remote systems such as HOMELINK and Car 2U without the need for any additional hardware, such as bridges or repeaters. Number 5. Garage door accessories. The Genie Chain Drive 550 garage door opener comes with 2 pre-programmed 3-button garage door opener remotes, a wireless keypad to open the garage door with a pin, and a multi-function wall console with a vacation lock and light control button. Number 6. Standard features include safe T-beam non-contact reversing system, Genie Sense monitoring and diagnostic technology, and INTELLICODE access security. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Will this work for a 9x16 garage door? Answer. This model garage door opener is compatible with garage doors that go up to 8 feet. Extension kit required. Anything over 8 feet will not be compatible. Question number 2. Will this replace LiftMaster motor 12458? Answer. Genie Chain Drive 550 will replace any garage door opener, as you have to replace the entire thing. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.